start by logging into the general section, which is when I go to the website, it's the admin section. And this is the first page that you see, which is the general tab. And this will show you the statistics for your campaigns, and the bounty will show up in a chart, and also the payouts. And then at the bottom you have your tags. These are called registration, private offer, and user tags down here at the bottom. And under the registrations, this is where your pending registrations would be shown. And you can mark your pending registrations as active or as rejected here. And when you press submit, they're going to be automatically notified via email, unless you choose don't send email notification. And then you can do it without telling anyone by clicking this box here. The same thing holds true for the private offer requests. If you have any private offer requests, they'll show up right here in this area. And this is where you change the status. You can change it to allowed or not allowed, and then you press submit. And if you don't, if you choose don't send an email notification, then it will stay private. Otherwise, they get an email notification. And then we have the user tags. These are the affiliate tracking tags, and they're used on the affiliate side for tracking conversions outside of the EFFECTUS platform, which are also called third-party applications. And here there's two types of tags. There's global tracking tags, and there's custom tracking tags. The global tracking tag is for all offers that the affiliate runs, and custom tracking tags are for selected offers only. And they will show up under here, and you can choose the status as being active or rejected, and then you press submit. And affiliates can access the page and add tracking tags by going to the Offers tab and clicking on the T icon, and we'll cover that under Offers. And you can also make a user tag active or mark it as rejected. And under the Affiliates tab up on the top here, this is where you can add, search, or list affiliates. Then there's the Advertisers tag, and this is where you can add, search, or list advertisers. And then under your Offers tag, this is where you can add, search, or list offers. Once you have an offer on the page, you can edit the offer, you can add creatives, or view the offer details. Under the view offer details, you can get the tracking pixel code. So I'll go ahead and put in show you an offer here. One of these offers you can choose over here is to edit the offer with the pencil icon. And when you edit the offer, I'll click on A, and you can see an advertiser here. If you click on the edit, under the, I'll click on affiliates, and I'll choose one of these affiliates. And this is the information under the edit affiliate. There's the sponsor information, there's custom fields, and then there's other information. And you can put who the manager is going to be and then the notes are down here at the bottom. And as far as the offers go, that's where you choose information about that. Let me pull up an offer here. The run information will allow you to choose payment information, and then there's three types of payouts here: bounty, a premium, and a standard. And then you can have a payout changes, and this was what's called the payouts list. And here you can add payouts that are based upon a certain date. So you can change the amount that the payouts are based on a certain date, and then it'll stop by itself if you put in a start date and an end date. So if it's like over the weekend, you want to pay more, you can choose the end date to be the next day. And so for 2 days, you can change the bounty, premium, and standard payouts here, and then it'll automatically go back to the payout here once the time expires. Well, we do offer you can change the currency. Yes, so instead of there being a $ here where it says bounty and then there's a $ here, it can be something else, whatever your country uses. The only language we offer right now is Russian. Okay, under the affiliates, when you add an affiliate over here on the left, they show up here on the right, and then when you click on the pencil icon, it's how you edit an affiliate. And under the, okay, this is how you edit their information. Now, it's under the offers where you choose payouts. And let me get the offer loaded here for you. I'll just click on one of these offers, and I click on the pencil icon, and then down under the payment information, we can have this symbol changed to your local currency. It doesn't have to be in dollar. As far as the different payouts are concerned, we offer 3 different payouts: a bounty, a premium payout, and a standard payout. So you can change these figures to whatever you want them to be. In our software, the little question marks on the right-hand side are pop-up little boxes that show you exactly what they are. So if you have a person that is an advertiser, that they get this bounty for the advertiser payout, and then the premium payout is for a premium affiliate, and then the standard payout is for a standard affiliate. And then when you go to affiliates and you click on add affiliate, this is where you choose the type under standard or premium. For each offer, depending on what type of affiliate you input the information as, it will pay them differently. If you want to charge a premium over for the weekend, for example, the payouts list is how you do that. If you want it for a certain date, like let's say over the weekend from the 23rd to the 24th, Saturday and Sunday, which if you would like to change what the payout is over that date range, then you can do that here. The information here will only apply during those dates. And when you hit submit, it'll save it, and then starting on the 23rd, it'll pay these premium payouts and standard payouts, which can be different from your normal ones, and then automatically stop paying at the end of this cycle here. These are how deep you can go into the leads that you get. We get transaction details on every single click, and there's multiple layers of reporting. When you click on reports on the left here are all the different types of reports that you can choose. We have transaction IDs, IPs, clicked, approved, pending, rejected. We offer reports with pagination, which divide them up into multiple pages. We offer rejected reports, and all of these reports are based upon whether the information is in production or in testing. And the data can also be downloaded as a CSV file for use with Excel. So if I click on General, and under the date range, I'll put for this year, and we'll hit Submit. And this is what the reports would look like. It shows you the dates, the number of impressions, number of clicks, the number of sales, the number of leads, the pendings, the rejected, the number of percentage of conversions, the bounty, payout, and revenue, and cost per click here. So that's a way that you'd run a report for a general report. Then you can click on Affiliate Reports, and this will only include information about affiliates. Click on Submit, and this will show you the dates that the affiliate's active, the affiliate ID number, the name, the number of impressions, clicks, sales, leads, pendings, rejects, conversions, the bounty, payout, revenue, and cost per click here for the affiliate. When you run a report, you can choose the manager name here. If you want to do it by the affiliate manager, you can choose a report by the advertising manager here. You can break down the report by days, by offers, by sub-IDs, by advertisers, by referrals. You can type in an affiliate here and run a report that way. Okay. Then under the advertiser, the same thing. We click on all year so we can get some results here, and I'll press Submit. And this will break down the advertiser by the advertiser ID, the name, impression, clicks, sales, leads, pending, rejects, conversions, bounty, payout, revenue, and cost per click. And then it gives you the totals down at the bottom as well. And this will, whatever you choose in the parameters up here, will show down in the report. And if you want to download the CSV file for the information that you see on your screen, you just click on Download right here. Then we also, well, the advertiser is the person that has some offers, and they're the ones that want to promote their offers. So they're going to use an affiliate to advertise their offers. And when a conversion occurs, the affiliate will get some money. And then they pay for an action, sale, or purchase. And they make their own creative. A creative is what we talked about where you get the actual click from. It's either going to be a banner, or it can be in an email, or you can make a flash banner. And then the advertiser is going to pay money to an affiliate for the sale. All right, and then the affiliate is also known as a publisher, and an affiliate is the one that wants to earn some money. So they need offers to be able to earn money, and they are the ones that have the actual traffic on a website. So they are the ones that place offers on the banners, and then they are the ones that generate traffic, and then an affiliate's page is the one that has a banner on it. The next one we have is called an offer report, and under the offer reports, you can choose the parameters in this area. And when you hit Submit, you're going to see all the reports on the offers that are in here. These are just sample offers, but when you have it set up, it's updated in real time. And so all the information here is about the offers, and then the totals are automatically put for you down here. And you can download a CSV for Excel here and be able to save the information to your computer. Yes, you create their username and password when you add their affiliates here. Under Add Affiliate, you'll be able to choose their username and password. And when you put in their information, then you email them and tell them the username and password, and then you get to choose what they see here. You can choose what their information is as far as their status is concerned. They can be inactive or pending. They can be rejected or suspended. So once you start adding one, you put pending, and then there's different, you put pending until you're ready to activate them. Then you come back in here and activate them, or you can reject or suspend an affiliate right here. Under offers, and then add offer, you choose the name and the internal name if you wish, and then you will automatically have already put in the advertiser's name, so they'll be in the drop down here. You choose which advertiser the offer is for, and then in the beginning you choose what availability is. Then under the status you put it in as pending. When you're ready to go live with it, you log back in and you click on live, and then it'll be ready. Then there's the different types of offers here. There's cost per click, cost per action, cost per lead, cost per sale, and we're working on a click-to-call program, which is not available quite yet, but this is where you can put a phone number on a website, and if someone calls, you get paid for a phone call. You associate each offer with an advertiser, and then they'll see it. You can do what? Once you create an offer, then it shows up here. Pixel information is going to be here, and you can choose an iframe or an image pixel, and this is a secure pixel here. Copy this text here and put it on the page. Then there's something else called server-side tracking, and if your client-side tracking isn't available, then you can put this secure URL on the advertiser's side to get the convert. And you just copy and paste. Copy and paste the code here or here. And then there's also something called a non-secure URL, and that's also here or here at the bottom. So this is where you get your tracking pixels. And this is the landing page URL. It's going to be right here. We put that in there. And then the tracking URL is right here. And this information, you don't need all this extra stuff at the end of it unless you want to track other additional parameters. There's an affiliate ID parameter, creative ID, sub ID. These are different ways to add more information to the tracking URL, but they're not required. Mainly it's the first part of the offer up through the number right there that you're going to need. The offer information is all going to be down here. You've already created the offer, so now this is what it looks like once you've created it, and then there's some additional parameters that you can put in once you've created an offer, including something new here called geo-targeting. So if you just want to target a certain country, you just type it in here. You only will be able to target Brazil, for example. So you would choose accept selected only and then Brazil. And then that means only people with the browser that is in Brazil will be able to see that offer. Does that make sense? We have different methods of support. The help desk is a good way to start, where you can add a new ticket. And if you want some back-end questioning, programming questions, this is how we do the like more difficult questions would be through a ticket system. However, then on the website we have, normally from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. we have a live chat on the homepage. And then we have a help desk with a ticket system. This is for more advanced questions. The knowledge base is a real good way to get started. If you have questions about anything, type in a keyword and click on search. And if you had, for example, a question about an affiliate, a number of articles come up here. This is the most important one, how to add an affiliate. And basically this shows you, how to step through and add affiliates. If you go back to the administrator page, this will show you all the different ways that you can get help online with like offers, with the different tools. There's an FAQ section, information about advertisers and affiliates, how to use reports. We have a number of integrations that are available in the back end. Then there's templates that you can use to send emails to people. And then we have a couple videos online so far, and this is like how to add a creative or add an offer. The knowledge base is a good tool to get started with support. So we have a lot of different ways for you to get support, and then email is real easy to call, to email me, and also just telephone tech support. If you ask for me, extension 1206 at this phone number here, then I can help you. I'm here Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. Okay, we offer two different payment methods. One is a progressive plan, and that's for $99 a month. And it includes up to 300,000 clicks. The lowest price we offer is $99 a month, 300,000 for the $99. And you get an account with us, and then you get access to all this information, and you start adding your offers, right? And then get your business growing. And once you sign up, then whatever questions you have, we just help you get it going. So if you're not sure what you're doing, we get you set up with the tech support and make sure that it's running right and that things are working for you. So we want you to succeed in the program. You can upgrade at any time. Yes, sir. There's no fee to upgrade, and there's no commitment. So if you're coming in under $300,000 a month, then this is the perfect plan for you right here. Under settings, this is where you have options. So your company name would go in here. You can put in your company logo. You can put a favorite icon, which is this little square over here on the left. You can have a fave icon. And you can have global redirects. So if an offer is not available, it can automatically redirect to your home page or wherever you like. You can have a redirect page. There's different languages available. Right now there's only these two, which is English and Russian. So you can have a referral URL for people that are referred to you. This is where you change the color scheme of the platform here. You have a main color, a second main color, the linked color, and the hover color. And lastly, you can be notified of any cap notifications. If there's daily caps that are reached, monthly or total caps are reached, you can choose the threshold of when the notifications are mailed to you here. You also can customize your invoices by putting your own logo on an invoice here, and you type in what your company details are, and any additional text that you would like on your invoices. This is where you adjust that. And as far as the settings for the administrator goes, you want to have whoever the default manager is going to be for your account, which would be one of you, would be in this default manager box. And then you can have the forms for people to sign up. You're going to want their information about for income tax purposes. That's what these W-9 forms are for. You can redirect people by their geo-IP, and that's geo redirect as far as what country they're in. If you want to enable that, then you can have people redirected to different offers based upon what country that they're in. So if you had someone that came to you from Portugal and you wanted them to see a certain offer, you can have them go to the Portuguese offer. And if someone came from Brazil, then you can have them go to the Brazil offer. Once you add an affiliate, then you can go back and read. You can have their information here, and this is all the information that's available for each affiliate. You create their login information, company information. Your affiliate's going to be active, pending, rejected, or suspended. The affiliate type will be standard or premium. You choose which country that they're from, the state, if there's a state involved, their address, city, state, zip code, what categories that they belong to, and then the affiliate contact information here, and technical information for their contact there. There's a place for Google Analytics code for this affiliate if there's going to be such a thing. Their billing information goes here, and you can choose the different payment terms that are available here, whether they're going to be paying bi-weekly, bi-monthly, monthly, net 15, on demand, whatever payment type they are going to have will be here, and then the details of their payment and their Social Security or tax ID number goes there. And then there's different types of tax classifications for each affiliate here. Then if they're sponsored, there's an ID number for the sponsor here, and then you choose their percentage of revenue share here. The only options here are 3%, 4%, and 5%. We don't have any between the two, so you would have to choose whether they share 3%, 4%, or 5%. Okay, this is an invoice here, and I click on edit, and you can see what you can edit about an invoice details. You can put the date, you can put the number, whether it's an automatic number, you can have them automatically kept tracked by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can make your own number for an invoice. It can be either an affiliate invoice or an advertiser invoice. And then in this box you'll see the drop-down username. If you type in the first few letters of their name, this is where you choose what account you want to give them. So whatever letters you type in here, all the H's will show up, or that's how you find your account that you want to create the invoice for. Then you choose the title for the invoice, however much money it's for, any notes that you want to save, and when you click edit, it's going to save that for you, and then they'll show up here, and it'll automatically keep up to date with what invoices you have, whether they're an advertiser or an affiliate invoice, the account that they're associated with, whether it's been paid or unpaid yet, the amount of the invoice, and then you can preview it. And your logo would go here where it says EFFECTUS. So your logo would be here, and then the name of the invoice goes here. It'll put the date, the information about the invoice, who they're billing, what it's for, and then any notes that you have, and the amounts are over here. And then once you've done previewing it, you can send it to people, and that's the invoicing for you. It's unpaid. It'll show up here under unpaid, and then if they go ahead and pay it, you check this checkbox, and then you choose mark as paid here. And then any unpaid invoices that you're waiting for payment, this I see also is where you would send them the email. You click the send by email, and it'll resend the email to them. When you hit unpaid, right, if they pay this and the person sends you the check for that much and you're ready to mark it as paid, you click this, and you choose this mark as paid here, and then you press submit. If you have multiple invoices that are paid, you can choose this top box that selects all of them. Thank you, and have a good day.